Okay, the first step you need to take to link an AdSense account, a new AdSense account to a YouTube channel is to open your web browser. Okay, as your web browser opens, visit your YouTube studio, which is studio.youtube.com. All right, so that's the next step. Okay, you can see I'm logged in automatically because I saved my login details here. But in your own case, if you are not logged in automatically, please log in with your Gmail and your password. All right. Then after that, you proceed to this margin. All right. Click on Earn. On this end page, you'll be landed on this overview tab. Scroll down, get to this side section, YouTube Partner Program Options. Okay, you can see here now, I have already existing AdSense ID and an AdSense account linked to this my channel. Okay, this is the detail, the ID. So if I want to change to a new AdSense, take for example, I created another AdSense account because of my new location and I want to link it to this my YouTube channel that is monetized. The next step is to click on change. Once you click on change, follow the step by step until you link to that your new AdSense account. It is that simple. This is usually important if you relocate to a new location. All right. So this is how you do it and you get your result. Once you are successful, YouTube will send you notification that you have changed to a new AdSense ID or a new AdSense account. Okay. Thank you. That's all.